Patio professionals, pay attention. If you don't know what I'm about to share with you, then you're leaving major money on the table. Did you know that you can generate unlimited amount of highly targeted leads for free on Facebook? And when you make a post to your friends or your fans on your timeline or fan page, only 16% of those people will actually see your post. So if you have 1,000 friends and you make a post in your news feed, only 160 of those people are actually going to see it. And it's same for your fan page. Now, Facebook for Business spells it out. This is their business page. Pages organically reach about 16% of the fans on average. To make sure your fans see your story, sponsors, or post, please read the following content. And what they want you to read about is sponsoring your page's posts. Now what that means is Facebook advertising. Guys, Facebook advertising has absolutely exploded internet marketing, and it can actually explode your business here in Pattaya. Now how would you like to do this? Build a list of targeted leads for free. Show your post to that exact audience for just pennies, and get leads and sales anytime you want. Facebook wants you to do this, and they have created the most powerful search tool online for pros just like you and I. It's called Facebook Graph. Let me show you. Facebook Graph, as I said, is the most powerful internet marketing search tool ever to be released to the marketplace. Now, you are looking at this video because I went into Facebook Graph and I did a search, people who work in Pattaya and speak English. And as you can see, this pulled up thousands of people. Now, with a special tool that I'm going to actually share with you on the event and actually give you access to, I was able to pull down all of this data, click a button, and I'm not doing a full search here just because of the video time, and I was able to pull 204 user IDs. 204 user IDs. Each user ID is unique to the person who the ID is attached to. So in this case here, these are all the user IDs, and I actually pulled thousands of them. Each user ID is unique to an individual. Now, as you could see here with the search, this search query right here pulled up both men and women. Some of these women are professionals in the sales and marketing, and I think you can see there are other women that are not quite professionals in sales and marketing. They're more in the entertainment industry. So with the graph search, it's very easy for me to say, hey, let me go ahead and just make this males, and this will bring down my search and get rid of some of the direct entertainers and promoters. And most of these guys here are maybe involved in the entertainment industry, but not entertainers themselves. So now what I have here is a highly targeted list of leads. With those user IDs, now I can take those leads and I actually can promote to them just as I did with you. So this is a very powerful thing. Now, to take advantage of the FB Graph, you need to have the right knowledge, tools, and more important, methods that work. So let me show you the power of knowledge and the right tools plus the graph search at work. So let's go over here to one of the groups, okay? And here's one group out here I really like, Pattaya New Projects. It's Michael Baraselli's group. Michael is with Big Mango Properties, one of the more successful real estate professionals in town. And please understand, guys, this can be used for any sort of professional that wants to generate leads. Now, Mike's group is a very respectable group. It's got 1,899 members. Mike makes a post into this group, and this is a great post right here. Talks about this property, want to find out more information, give him a call. There's his email. Click to see the listing, etc. But here's the problem with this. He's only got 3 people who actually liked it. Now, he's got 1,800 people in this group, but only so many people are actually seeing this. Now, it's not just his. This is Facebook posting. This guy here is going to teach you how to make money posting ads. Don't buy into that crap. Here's more ads. Let's find somebody else other than Michael, because I know there's a lot of professionals that actually promote here. Here's another one here from Dom, and this one here has got 7 people that liked it and 1 person who actually made an inquiry. All right. Now I'm trying to make a point here, guys, which is really important. Okay. Now, here you have a huge group, very targeted group of people who are interested in Pattaya new projects. Okay? And here you have 1,800 members in this group. Okay? That's a very hefty group. 1,800 people. What if Michael or one of the other people, Dom, made their ad and actually targeted every single person in that group and targeted them in their timeline? Let me show you how easy that is to do. Here, I can take any group. So let's just take Pattaya New Properties, Pattaya New Projects. Okay, and let me copy that. And let me go over here, paste that in there, and let me just add members to the back end on this search query. And guess what's going to start happening? This Facebook search is going to actually pull up all the people in this search. Now, if I want to get access to that, I just go and click my graph scraper. As I said, I'm going to give you access to that graph scraper for free if you attend the event. You start scrolling, and this is going to start pulling all of these people. And once this is fully exposed and all these people show, all I would need to do is click one button, download this data. In this particular case, I just let it go for a few seconds. It was 60 UIDs. And I would have a user list of all the people in that members in this group who we know are targeted for Pattaya New Projects. Now, let's take this a little bit further. Okay, let's go group search, Pattaya. And let's look at all the groups in Pattaya. Okay, I've got Pattaya New Projects, 1,800 people. All right, now we've got Pattaya Expats Club. That's not a business group, and I'm just making this example here. Pattaya Real Estate Network, 1,274 people. And let's go on down. Pattaya Condos for Sale and Rent. These are the type of groups that you want to get access to if I wanted to target people like Mike did in his ad here. If I wanted to target people like Mike was doing in his advertising, which I lost, by the way, but if I wanted to target people, I would want to target people that are participating in business or real estate type groups. I think you get the idea. And be able to actually build a list of just those people. This is Facebook marketing, guys. Now, here's another ad, just to give you an example, not to pick on anybody. Gus Zanger's a good friend of mine. But here's a great ad and a great example of what I'm trying to express here to you. Now, I happen to know this unit here. It's 9,000 baht a month. It's a rental that Gus has. He's with AG Properties. And this is a fantastic unit. Now, Gus is one of the individuals out there that has an enormous reach. And Gus is probably one of the most consistent posters on a daily basis in Facebook. Gus posts at least a half a dozen times a day. This is really important to understand because Gus has over 2,000 friends, which means that when he made this post, only 300 people actually saw this. 300 people, okay? And this was the result of that. He got 6 people to like it, that are actually like it, and 2 people to respond, and one of them happened to be Gus, okay? Now, what does that mean? It means, again, that he's not getting the impact that he could. Now, if Gus was able to have a custom audience of people interested and already participating just in groups for real estate, tell me that he wouldn't be able to get an impact here. And see, this is what's really, really important. Okay? So, who am I and why should you listen to me? That's a really good question. Please let me introduce myself. My name is Dominic Mongello. I'm a fellow expat, and I'm a full-time internet marketer. I specialize in marketing leads and products that I create myself. I also do coaching, and more important, I also do product development and system and funnel development. Now, I have 2 companies here in Pattaya. I've been here since 2004. One company specializes in marketing and training, and the other one specializes in development. So I think I'm more than qualified to teach you Facebook marketing for Pattaya professionals. Now, I decided after looking at the groups and just feeling things out with a lot of my friends that a lot of people just weren't getting the value that they deserved. So I decided to put this event, and I do this event for many niches out there. I do it for real estate, I do it for insurance in many target markets, and I decided to open up this here in Pattaya. Now, remember guys, I targeted you. So the only reason you're actually seeing this video right here is because I found you on the Facebook graph and I targeted you. Not anybody. I didn't throw money to the wind. I only targeted the people I wanted. And I want to teach you how to do the same. And if you're smart, you're going to want me to teach you if you're a professional here. And you want to do this for your own business. Now, Facebook Marketing A to Z is exclusive for Pattaya professionals. In other words, when I do this event, I'm going to actually teach you how Facebook marketing applies to us here as Pattaya professionals. And in this event, I'm going to teach you a lot of things. First of all, I'm going to teach you about the graph search, how to activate it, how to use it, and how to create unique deep queries. And in layman's terms, means highly targeted searches that will get you the leads that are exactly what you want for whatever products or services that you're offering. So if you're selling real estate, or if you're selling insurance, or you have car rental, or bike rental, or you have your own units that you want to rent out, or you're looking for people to invest in a project, or you're selling other crafts. I know there's a big market here with people selling used and new antique furniture. Guys, it's unlimited. When you have access to the exact people you want and you can target them, man, the world is your oyster. And see, this is all about custom audiences. With the Facebook graph and the tool that I'll give you if you come into this event, you can actually create custom audiences of the exact people you want for whatever specific project you're marketing. And I'm going to teach you how to use the ad manager in this event. I'm going to show you how to use the Power Editor, which are tools that are in here. Please believe me, if you can check your email on Gmail, you can do this. You don't have to be a techno wizard. Website custom audiences. Now this is really powerful. This is a new feature that Facebook just rolled out here the last 60 days, and this is a game changer. With website custom audiences, you can actually take the traffic from your own website or from your own email list and get them to see your ads on Facebook. Let me break that down. You have a real estate site. You put the special website custom audience pixel or cookie into your site, okay? And if you don't know how, I'll show you. Now, when all these visitors come to your site, they're now going to be put into a custom list inside your Facebook ad account. They're going to just start, every time a new user does, this cookie's landing on their computer, and it's going to build them into a list. Now, they don't have to be your friends, fans, or followers, and now you can actually set up an ad specific to that. So imagine if somebody came to look at one of your listings in real estate, and they now log into Facebook, and they're not one of your friends or fans, they're somebody outside of Thailand looking and interested in here, and they come inside Facebook, they go into their timeline, they're reading their news feed, and bam, there's your ad talking about the unit or the real estate or the value of what you have to offer in their news feed. Guys, this is so powerful. Now, I'm also going to teach you the fine art of newsfeed ads, how to create the right post. Okay? And more important, how to bid properly. So you're paying literally pennies and not lots of money that you don't need to be paying. How to use the custom audience to just, as I said, target just the people you want. Now here's the part that actually closes everything for you. Your lead and sales funnel. I've seen dozens of sites here in Thailand, and literally no one has a proper lead and sales funnel. And without it, guys, you're lost. You're just throwing money to the wind, and it's really a shame because a lot of people are doing that. I'm going to show you how to create an actual Facebook lead and sales funnel and a website Facebook funnel, and actually show you how to plug in retarget marketing both on Facebook and outside on the internet. And I'm also going to explain to you why it's essential that mobile and responsive is part of your design of your funnel and more important of your site. You see, a lot of you are actually going to be looking at this presentation, this video right now, on your smart devices. If it's not mobile ready, you wouldn't be able to see that. So I would be leaving out on a huge market there. Now, after this event, I'm going to give you access to this event video because obviously after a 2-hour event, you're not going to be able to absorb it all. So you want to have consistent access to the video so that you can see it. In addition, I'm going to give you a transcript of the event, and as I said earlier, I'm going to give you the actual scraper that I use for free. Now, these scrapers, guys, cost anywhere between $97 $247 here for their top model. I've seen them up to $1,000 for different suites. Here's another one, $97. I'm going to give you this absolutely free. So why am I going to do this? Well, because this is a prepaid event, guys. And this event's going to be $97 one time. If you break that down into Thai baht, I believe that's 3,000 baht, give or take 100 baht. All right? Now, if you look at the cost of the scrapers, it would cost you 97 bucks or higher for the different scrapers. Well, I'm going to give it to you as part of the package. So really, it's a wash. You're going to get trained, you're going to have access to the video, and then you're going to be able to get the scraper to do everything that you need to do. I mean, you're going to have everything you need after you get off this event to go out there and start generating unlimited leads. Now, is there a catch? Absolutely. I'm only going to do this for 30 people. Now, this is not some sort of sales scarcity tactic or anything like that. I know every time I do an event that I usually get between, if I get 30 people an event, I get between 6 to 8 people that actually want to further their education and always have me available for questions and answers and be part of my coaching group. And so I'm actually setting up a specific coaching group for just Pattaya professionals. So I only need so many people in that group, otherwise my time is taken up, and the quality of information for those extra people that want that time is not there. In addition, I always pick up 2-3 clients that want me to do the full lead generation from them A to Z. I've actually got 2 clients that called me up today that saw this video over the weekend and said, "Hey Dom, we're in." Okay, so that's why this is a limited offer, and this is first come, first serve. So I think it's pretty easy to understand that what I'm giving you for 97 one time with the scraper and everything that you need is what I would call a B.D.S.E decision. And for those that don't know what that means, that's brain dead, stupid, easy decision. So I hope that you see the value of what we have here. If you have, please understand it's first come, first serve, so you don't want to lose out. You'll see a button below this video here that says Pay with PayPal. Pay with PayPal, reserve your spot, get on the event. Don't miss out on this. Get the scraper. Let me coach you. Let me teach you. Let me help you get the results that you want. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have an excellent day. Thank you.